Okay, what I'm doing today is I got this at a thrift store, not because I collect Avon bottles or nothing. I just thought it was pretty. And I've got it in a bag up here. This part is glass, and this part's white plastic. And somebody had it in a window or something. It's still a little white on that side, but it's really yellowed. And I've seen on the internet, like with old toys that are plastic, you can do this and they'll turn white again, so we'll see. Because it's basically, this is, you know, white plastic. So I'm going to set her here in the sunlight. And I'm going to leave her on the base where I can turn her around and it'll stay even. But this is what I put on her and put in a Ziploc bag. This stuff you can get at, what is that, Sally Beauty Supply or anywhere, any beauty supply, I guess. It wouldn't have to be this brand. And I'm using the 30 volume because that's all I got. So we'll see. Okay, she seems to be lightening up a little bit. This side was lighter anyway. I believe that's the side. And so here's her other side. But yeah, she's not getting near as brown, yellow as she was. But I'm gonna just take that in and leave her out here. And then I kind of squished around to make sure I had that peroxide covering her good again. And so we'll see. So this has been, what'd I say, an hour and 10 minutes? So we'll see. Okay, it's been 3 hours. It's kind of cloudy today. I haven't done the back of it a lot. But I'm going to take it in and clean it off and see what I got. Okay, this is what she looks like so far. She's a lot lighter. So it works. I'm going to do it a little more though. Just see how light I can get it. And it's cloudy out here, so right now, and when I started it was sunny, so that might make a little difference in how it looks. Now if you have these things as collectibles, I don't know if that would hurt the value of them or not. And a lot of people, they'll do like their action figures that are plastic and got dark, or Nintendo consoles and stuff. But I mean, as far as value, I don't know if it'd hurt it, so do it at your own risk. I just wanted it white looking. I don't care about all that other. So I'll show you if I do manage to get her any whiter, I'll show you. Okay, it's been about, well, the last clip, it had been 3 hours where I rinsed her off and everything, and now this time I rinsed her off, it's been about 6 hours. And there's still a few little places, but that is a big difference. And I don't know what would happen if I'd just thrown it in bleach or anything, but I kept seeing the videos where people getting excited about this, so I figured I'd just skip experimenting and do what they did. And I'll add just a little piece of the original footage to show you, or remind you how dark she was. Okay, the last 3 hours, I forgot to mention that I used a different kind of peroxide. I used that bottle out of this box, and it's ultra, I think it says ultra blonde or something. So I figured maybe the peroxide in it was strong, but maybe it wasn't as strong as what I had. Figured I'd mention that. Anyway, I hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching. And be sure and subscribe. Bye.